YouTube, so follow up, so equate by integrating y plus 3 times minus 3y equals x times 1 minus y, meaning this equation here. It's supposed to calculate when any falling away of any fifth or spin of light folding towards any fourth idea that is giving electricity. Total of value is in fourth no ratio but 1 or up. By in, not of logic C's, non-C's, defined as if number calculated rational number is to a variable, thus operator constructs while. Number to be calculated equals or 0 or for variable, therefore any parameter of defines further equation, which is this one here, with tol defined as by x equals minus epsilon minus y plus 7, y as tol 1, 0. A tol is given leastest by last equation or rational number. Thus, for tol not 0, numbers include 1, not premise, needed logical conduction, the equation from up front, and the two premises. Thus, variable to equate is at all rational number from 0 to 31, or better defined as sum times pi 8 minus 2. Tol defined as 0. Thus, these are then somehow as the guiding of the equation by sum times pi 8 1 or x plus root 1 plus 1 x by 1 fourth breached, or better breach by 3y. Now when you calculate this out, you suddenly end up at this result, meaning you calculate the first one, which is this one here, you get the result 602. Then you calculate this one, you get this result 147 equals root 21. And then you have the last equation, which is better as x2 plus y times x. Now, when you calculate this to the last idea, you suddenly get this. And then it's getting interesting, because as we defined tol as x minus 0 or plus 3y, you can equate this to epsilon plus 3x or epsilon as x times 3, hence this equation. And then you suddenly get an interesting idea. Now, these numbers are calculated by epsilon, or better said, y is 7 and x is d3. And when you calculate this to the last idea, you suddenly get epsilon 83.000000 and then a 1, which is interesting.